Hey everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving deep into the M1E3 Abrams, the US Army's next-generation main battle tank designed to replace and evolve beyond the legendary M1 Abrams that has served for more than 4 decades as the backbone of American armored power. And this new version isn't just about raw strength, it's about modernization, survivability, and adapting to the complex battlefields of the future. The M1E3 Abrams has been developed with lessons learned from modern conflicts where mobility, logistics, and adaptability are just as important as armor and firepower, which is why it has been engineered to be significantly lighter than the current M1A2 V3, making it easier to deploy, faster to maneuver, and more efficient to operate. At its heart, the M1E3 will continue to feature the Abrams family's legendary 120mm smoothbore cannon, but with upgrades to support advanced kinetic energy rounds, programmable ammunition, and future smart munitions designed to defeat not only enemy tanks but drones, fortifications, and fast-moving threats, while secondary weapons like coaxial machine guns and remote weapon stations ensure all-around protection. Survivability has been greatly enhanced with a new modular armor package that allows for quick battlefield replacement and upgrades, incorporating lighter composite armor and active protection systems capable of intercepting incoming missiles, rockets, and even drone swarms before they can strike, giving the M1E3 unmatched defensive capabilities. Powering the tank is a new propulsion system that reduces weight and fuel consumption, potentially integrating hybrid electric components that improve efficiency, extend range, and reduce the massive logistical burden traditionally associated with heavy tanks, while also allowing for quieter operation in certain modes, giving the Abrams an unexpected element of stealth. Inside, the M1E3 Abrams is far more advanced than its predecessors, with a crew compartment designed for maximum survivability, advanced digital displays, panoramic targeting systems, thermal imagers, AI-assisted threat detection, and full integration into the US Army's future digital battlefield networks, enabling real-time communication with other vehicles, drones, aircraft, and command centers. This networked approach ensures the M1E3 isn't just a standalone tank but part of a larger system of systems, capable of coordinating firepower, sharing reconnaissance, and acting as a command hub on the move. The reduced weight of the M1E3 means it will be far more deployable worldwide, allowing US forces to move it across theaters of operation faster, while its enhanced mobility and suspension system ensure it can handle diverse terrains from deserts to forests to urban environments with greater speed and agility than ever before. This evolution of the Abrams reflects the reality that future warfare demands adaptability against drones, cyber threats, precision strikes, and fast-moving unconventional enemies, and the M1E3 is built to face those threats head-on. It's not just about keeping the Abrams relevant, it's about transforming it into a tank that can dominate for the next 40 years, just as the original Abrams did. The M1E3 Abrams represents a balance between heritage and innovation, keeping the proven combat-proven power of the Abrams name while introducing lighter, smarter, and more efficient solutions that make it ready for tomorrow's battlefield. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.